What we did this year is we moved our regular ISTs and our HS into our Revelation series.
The Revelation series has kind of become the foundation of our middle price point, and we wanted to go ahead and update the salmon steelhead models. They hadn't been changed in many, many years. Basically what we did is carefully go through each model and look at it from an engineering standpoint. Some of them we did some minor tweaks to improve strength, sensitivity. Basically very, very similar to what we had before. The RX7 material has evolved over time, and it is a little bit better resin system than what used to be used. So you're getting some enhanced performance from that as well.
It's one of the first blanks that we developed back when we started this program over 20 years ago. The IST and the HS series, obviously we live in the Great Northwest and we get a lot of salmon steelhead fishing out here, those hot shot actions. And the salmon steelhead actions can be crossed over to a lot of different things. I mean, I know guys that are using them for surf rods, light surf rods for perch, and or steelhead fishing up here in the Northwest. And that hot shot series, I know people use it everything from a drop shot blank to, what we use them for up here, little hot shots for pulling plugs for steelhead in the rivers.
In the catalog, we did a real simple, and you'll see this on the website as well, a cross-reference chart. Salmon steelhead models have been around for many, many years, so the new model numbers might be a little bit confusing, but you can utilize that cross-reference sheet. Also, the satin black color is new. That's obviously carried on from other Revelation series. We find that to be very neutral and easy to build with. Any color will match with it quite well.
Still a great blank, always been a great blank. It'll be in our lineup forever.